wonderful kids out there. Kids, I hope you all are well and safe at home. So, children, today I'm not going to teach you English or maths. Today we are going to learn some drawing. Okay, children, now I want to meet. I want to. Somebody is waiting for you to meet. Okay, and who is that? Do you want to see? See. This is Happy Bean. See, Bean is very happy to meet you all children, and Bean has decided that today he will help you out to draw some pictures of bathroom. You know children, you all are having different rooms at your home. Yes or no children? Okay, like bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, drawing room. So children, why we all are having these different rooms in our house? Because at one place we cannot do all the things at a time. Okay, so for doing different things, our different chores of household work, we need different rooms. Okay, and one thing we should remember that we should learn to keep our surrounding clean. Where we live, we should keep the surrounding clean. Okay, so Bean is going to draw some pictures of your washroom. Okay, what are the things children you see in your washroom? Yes, we see a basin, a toilet, a shower. These are the basic things we see in washroom. But you can put other things also in your washroom. Okay, like a bathtub. Okay, everyone is not having a bathtub, children. Okay, and you can see a tap also. Okay, so children, today I am going to teach you 4 images of the things you see in your washroom. Okay children, so let's start drawing it. So children, see, Bean is waiting for you all to start with. So let us first draw a bathtub. Okay, now Bean is going to guide me. Okay, see. First, draw a circle like this, half circle. Okay. Bring it this side. Okay, it's very easy children. Now I think all are not having the bathtub, but when you were small kids, no children, you all must have this kind of bathtub at your home. Yes or no children? Yes, see, it's very easy. So like this you will go. First step, second step, draw, yes, the outer part of the tub. Okay, then we'll go like this. Yes, and what we can do, we can just put some foam inside the tub. And you all love to play with the rubber toys, no children? So we can put a rubber duck inside it. Rubber duck. See, I have one for you. It's very cute, no? So let it be here. Okay. The next is, see children, initially you will face some problem while drawing this. But if you keep on doing practice, it is going to be very easy for you. Now next, we will do it very fast. Draw 2 lines like this. Okay. Then bend like this little bit. Okay. Then a small line. Okay. Okay. From this, make like this. Now this is a shower, make some holes over here. Okay, And you know, children, who holds the shower? To make it stand, we fix with a clamp. Okay. And you know, on the showers, they have lock with them. Okay. So this is done. Shower is done. Yes. Now we'll draw a basin, a wash basin. Okay. It was also very easy. See, very easy. Bean has tried to make the drawings very simple for you. Oh, yes or no, Bean? Yes. See. So now we are going to fix a tap to it. Okay, children. These are the two locks of the tap. Okay. Now the basin is having a pipe attached to it. Okay. See. Your basin is ready. Ready then? The most important thing. Yes. Your toilet pan. Okay. See. This is also very easy to draw. But remember one thing, children. After and before toilet, you should wash your hands properly. Yes or no? Yes or no? So Bean has made it little bit easy for you all. Yes, this is the pan, then this is the lid of the pan. Okay. See, children, for the first time you all are doing, so don't get worried that it's going to be good or very good, but you should keep on trying. This is a pipe attached. Now what we will do, we will just mark it with the black sketch. Now the outer part we are going to mark it with a black sketch. I'm doing a little bit fast. Then children, after your outline is over, you can color the pictures. Okay. You can just color the pictures. See, now your drawing is almost done. Okay, see how it looks. So now children, it's all done. So children, I have a message for you today. Keep your surrounding clean, be safe at home. Okay, don't go outside of the home. Take care. God bless you all. Bye.